Here's John eating chicken.
Eating chicken again. Got the watermelon this time.
Looks good.
Chicken.
I'm gonna dive in too. That looks good. I only had a yogurt for lunch. So.
I had a sandwich, but I ate it so fast I didn't even taste it.
No.
Only had 10 minutes for lunch.
So we're in the laundromat. This is what we're doing today.
Yeah, we're just morning, but now we're here.
Yeah, I got the day off. Well, I was supposed to work today, but I got the day off, so I'm scheduled for tomorrow. My shift for today, so it's okay. And John can have a day off maybe and rest.
No rest for the wicked.
No. Okay, so we're gonna dive in here, and there's nothing open today, so I guess we're just gonna do laundry. And I don't think Goodwill's open either. So.
They were half price on green yesterday. It wasn't everything.
Oh, okay.
So they might be open, but I just went there yesterday. So
Yeah. Well, if they are, maybe we'll see. I don't know if you want to go drive through that construction.
it's right before construction.
Yeah. We'll see what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna eat here and have lunch. It is. We just got done wrapping. That's a lot of packages going out for a Tuesday. I don't know if we have a hand how much it was all together, but
It's under the packages, man.
oh yeah, Bob Marley. So anyway, we got this all. Well, this is a. Oh, you can't see the. This one is a pair of shoes. I know that for sure. But there's in the green one down there. There's Poshmark sale as Tommy Hilfiger. We got 7, I think it was for. Well, then the rest of them are all on some on Pam's closet. The rest on some on what's it called? Random wear, and some on Tremco. So
we saw the Star Wars Xbox game for 12. Assassination Nation for 99 cents. The movie. And some kind of speaker for 21.
and the top one that was a pair of Skechers shoes.
Yep. I kind of messed up on the shipping on those. I put first class shipping, but they're over a pound, so they're going.
Yeah. But what did we get? 17 from?
That's 17, but it costs 8 to send them, so it'd be $9. I take fees out, probably about 6, 7.
Oh, yeah. Well, it's into summer now, so.
Yeah. Well, they're dress shoes.
Yeah, they're
flats.
They're flat shoes. So that was a pretty good weekend, long weekend we had, a Labor Day weekend.
Yeah. Not over yet. Sales still going for another 6 hours, so.
Yeah, and John's gonna go to the post office tomorrow. Get these all mailed.
I need a blue box.
Are you gonna use blue box? Okay, yeah. We got a lot of blue boxes. We can go and put them in the blue boxes. So I'm gonna say good night, and I have to get to bed.
Yeah.
Good night.
Following this video will be probably a haul from Goodwill tomorrow, or from Salvage Army.
Yep. You know, are you gonna go salvo tomorrow?
Probably.
Okay. So stay tuned for that. John will have a video tomorrow when he goes to salvo.
Good afternoon there, YouTube people. This is John from John and Pammy. There's our picture. There's my setup for lights. I went to Salvage Army, which I did a little clip walking in the door over there. Got one of these cameras here. I haven't got one of these for a while. Our Goodwill decided to start charging $20 to $30 for these because they know they're worth money. But Salvage Army only charges $3. So, picked that up. There were 5 other resellers in the store digging through the electronics area, and they all passed by this one. I figure. And I got this for 50 cents. Just some video tapes for a Sony camcorder. UPC if you want to look them up. I haven't checked them out yet. I know they're worth more than 50 cents. So, and we're gonna head over here to the clothing I got. Up is this Colo Wear America. It is a large. Nice, really thin flannel style shirt. Back up a little bit here. That's how it's gonna look on eBay. After I'm done with the video, I'm going to button it up, of course, and it's going to be squared, but it'll be press that one button there. Oh, it might work. There's a button on the iPhone that you can press to make two pictures. That's one of the shirts I got. The other one is this one here. The rest are ones from the last video. This is a Wrangler Retro. And it is a double XL. I think this is going to be worth a little bit of money, so otherwise I'll keep it because that's my size. Funky on the mannequin there a little bit. But it is a pearl snap. It's got the cloudy pearls on it. Brown shade of color and all that good stuff. So that's what I got there. Just those 4 items cost me $10 total. The items, this shirt was $4. That one was $2 because it was half price. The camera was $3 and that was 50 cents. So if you add all that up, it's not $10, but I made a donation as well to the Salvation Army, which basically took it all up to full price. But I'm gonna try to get this done today. Today is Tuesday. I just got home from working there. It's almost 3. I got some chicken in the oven. I didn't show how it was already mostly made. I already had the seasoning stuff on. It just has some other seasonings and some chicken broth. And we're gonna have that later with some rice and vegetable. But that's all I got for now.
Yeah.
Pam wanted stuff at Goodwill, so here's our remainder haul.
Yeah, that's a big purchase there.
Yeah, there's no real resale value on this, but I'm gonna try anyway. Just magnets for the fridge.